If you ever managed an interior design project where presentation looked different from one project to the next, floor plan drawings always go through Photoshop before you can show them to clients. Budgets are spread across multiple Google Sheets, and email threads are full of information almost impossible to track. First, you're not alone. And second, this video is for you. My name is Lauro Dominici. I'm an interior designer from Italy, and today I want to show you the system I built to solve all these problems. First thing first, this system is called the Signature Collection. And it's not just a set of templates. It's a complete workflow designed to manage an interior design project from the first client inquiry to the final project handover. The system connects three essential parts of the studio: visual communication, technical drawings, and project organization. When these parts work together, the entire process becomes clearer for both the designer and for the client. Even though my education was built around traditional tools like AutoCAD and InDesign, at some point I asked myself a simple question: are these really the tools I should be using today to grow my studio? And without much surprise, the answer was no, because they were slow, fragmented, and hard to maintain across multiple projects. So I decided to completely rethink how my studio works, selecting the three best tools available today, each solving a specific part of the design process. Let's start with visual communication. All presentation templates in the Signature Collection are built natively in Figma. So why Figma instead of Canva or InDesign? And the answer is simple, because in real projects, three things matter: consistency, speed, and control. In Canva, you are limited by predefined layouts, and it quickly becomes restrictive for professional work. In InDesign, you often spend more time managing pages, links, and export than actually designing. Figma instead combines the best of both worlds. You get precise layout control similar to InDesign, spacing, alignment, hierarchy, all managed visually and in real time. Typography and brand styles work globally. Change a font or a color once and the entire presentation updates instantly. Figma also uses vector logic like Illustrator. Icons are components. You can swap them in 2 clicks and keep perfect alignment and consistency. You have built-in AI image tools as well. Select a product image, remove the background with 1 click, and you're done. No extra software needed. And just like Canva, multiple people can work on the same file at the same time. Finally, presentation mode works like PowerPoint. 2 clicks and you are in full screen presentation mode. No export, no PDF. This means faster edits, clearer communication with clients, and presentations that stay consistent across every project. For digital drawings, the system uses Rayon Design instead of traditional AutoCAD. And the reason is simple. AutoCAD was never designed specifically for architecture, and even less for interior design workflows. Rayon Design, on the other hand, was built specifically for spatial planning and architectural layout. Tools like walls, dynamic openings, zones, or dividers are available with a single click, making it much faster to build and adjust floor plans. It also comes with a native library of over 4,000 blocks, ready to drag and drop directly into your project, both in plan view and elevation. Just like Figma, Rayon Design is web-based, which means it works on any device or operating system and allows multiple people to collaborate on the same project in real time. And finally, AI has been smartly integrated directly into the side panel. You can simply upload a screenshot of your floor plan, write a prompt describing the space, and in seconds generate visuals of the space ready to share with clients. The third part of the system is project organization. This is handled through Notion instead of traditional Excel or Google Sheet. Spreadsheets are useful for calculations, but when managing complex projects, they quickly become difficult to navigate. Information spreads across multiple tabs, and relationships between data become harder to track. Notion works differently. It allows you to organize projects through connected databases. Budgets, furniture selections, suppliers, and project stages can all be linked together inside one structured system. Instead of searching through folders or spreadsheets, the entire project can be managed in one single workspace. But now let me show you the real power of the Signature Collection in a real-life project scenario. every project starts with a client inquiry. A few months ago, I would immediately schedule a call to explain my services. But this often meant spending time on long conversations with people who weren't yet ready to commit to a project. Now, I simply share my services guide, a structured presentation that clearly explains how my studio works, the design phases, and what clients can expect. It not just saves time, it also creates a strong and professional first impression. And only at the very end of the guide, clients can schedule a complimentary 15-minute call, which naturally filters the people who are truly interested. When clients decide to move forward, I used to send a long and very detailed agreement. But for many people, that first document felt cold and complicated to understand, which is normal. Legal agreements are written for protection, not clarity. Now, I first share a fee proposal presentation, designed specifically to explain the scope of the project, the deliverables, and the cost in a clear and visual way. At the end of the presentation, I place two simple links. One to sign the official agreement available in my studio admin template, and another to process the first payment through Stripe. Once the agreement is signed and the payment is completed, the project officially begins. Previously, I would simply schedule a video call to explain the next steps. Now every project starts with a welcome pack, a comprehensive onboarding presentation that introduces the entire workflow, the project timeline, communication guidelines, and includes a direct link to the client's personal cloud folder and to-do list. Together with the welcome pack, I always send the client questionnaire. Over the time, I realized that asking personal questions about a client's home, habits, and lifestyle during the first call often didn't give the most accurate answers. Now the questionnaire allows clients to take their time. I even suggest something simple. Go to your favorite cafe, order a coffee, and take a moment to think about the space. Finally, we reach the core template of the system, the design presentation. It's a 94-slide template organized into 5 design phases, each of which can be presented to the client separately as the project progresses. The first phase is space review. Here, I present a recap of the project scope, an analysis of the existing floor plan, and the new special proposal. Next comes mood boards and colors, where clients' ideas begin to take visual form through images, compositions, textures, and color palettes. Then we move to materials and finishes, introducing elements like paint, flooring, doors and windows, fabrics, and surface materials that define the character of the space. In furniture selection, the project really starts to take shape. Every piece of furniture, lighting, and accessory is presented and evaluated. And last, we reach the final result, where the high-quality renderings are revealed and the procurement timeline for the project is defined. This template is designed to eliminate the time usually wasted in drawing on AutoCAD and then importing the same drawing to Photoshop to make them presentable for clients. The digital drawings template is built natively in Rayon Design, taking full advantage of the platform. It includes a complete preset system with walls, openings, colors, floor patterns, dimensions, text styles, and the most commonly used symbols and fixtures. In just a few minutes, you can create highly detailed floor plans that always follow the same visual style across all your projects. And because everything is built in Figma, you can simply drag and drop the drawings directly into your presentations. As a bonus, I also included all my professional title blocks so you can easily share detailed drawings with contractors when needed. Once the project has been defined, it's time to take care of the procurement phase. The Italian furniture database helps you quickly filter the exact piece you're looking for, by category, design style, and price range. In just a few seconds, you can identify the main Italian suppliers producing that type of product. Of course, this database should be considered only the starting point of your personal furniture archive. Since it's fully customizable, you can easily add new brands and suppliers over the time. Once the furniture has been selected, it's time to move to the cost and timeline database. Here I store all the information related to each item: product image, name, supplier, category, room, cost, status, and delivery timelines. The more products you add, the more powerful this database becomes. For example, in the area view, all items are automatically grouped by room, giving you an accurate breakdown of the project budget. The gallery view is extremely useful during clients' meeting, allowing you to present furniture selections visually, room by room, with images and prices. And finally, the status view lets you track every order and delivery timeline, helping both you and the client to clearly understand the progress of the procurement phase. Finally, when the project was completed, I used to send nothing in particular, since the majority of the document had been already shared with the client throughout the project. Now I approach this final phase by delivering a client handover. It's a complete document that gathers all the information about every element involved in the project: finishes, furniture, appliances, and contractors. Each item includes detailed information such as dimensions, product specifications, and maintenance guidelines. It's a bit like the dessert at the end of a wonderful dinner, the final touch that leaves the client with a great memory of the entire journey. And that's it. Now you've seen how my signature collection works, but the system goes much deeper than what I could show in this video. So if you'd like to see the entire workflow in action, you can book a 30 minutes live demo by filling out the form at the end of this page. I hope to see you soon.